everyone, my name is Sakshi Kushwaha and welcome back to yet another video on machine learning and deep learning tutorials. So in the previous video we have discussed how to download dataset and how to read the dataset and what are the functions in pandas library, and in this video we are going to discuss how to split features and targets from the dataset. Okay, so now let's get started. So here is our collab, and I have downloaded this dataset from the Kaggle. Uh, so those who don't know, I am going to tell what is Kaggle. So basically Kaggle is a website. You have to just search in the Google. So Kaggle is a website which has almost all the data sets. Okay, so this is the interface you got, and here is the data sets. When you click on this data set, there are a lot of data sets, whatever you want. Okay, so if you want any specific data set, then you can search here. Okay, so yeah, suppose you want to work on this data set. This is a very trending data set, fertility rate. Okay, so just click on this and just click on this download option. Okay, and your CSV file is automatically downloaded. Okay, so yeah, here is the file you got, and for opening this is the CSV file, but this is opening in Excel only. So here is the data set you got. Okay, yeah, so that's now how to download dataset from Kaggle. And it contains very various data sets. It contains also code, and you can also write code on this Kaggle website. So it is a very useful website for the for those who are learning machine learning and deep learning. So yeah, so come back to our dataset. I have downloaded this dataset, cancer patient data sets. Okay, so this is a CSV file. So I have downloaded it. So what is the first step? What is the very first step? The first step is import library. So I am just writing first step one. Okay, step one is import the import the library. Okay, so right now currently we are only using pandas. So just import panda library, import pandas as pd. Okay, and the second step is import the data. So we don't have to means we already have our data set. So just provide the path of the data set. So here the three dots, you can just click on these three dots, and there is an option of copy path. So you can copy the path, and then you have to write like df is equal to, what is the function for reading the CSV file? pd dot read underscore CSV. Okay, and here provide the path of that dataset. Okay, and now we are going to see the what is the structure of our dataset. So just write df dot head. Okay, so this is a structure of our dataset. Okay, it includes the patient ID, age, gender, air pollution, alcohol use, dust allergy, occupational hazards, genetic risk, chronic lung disease, and there are many columns here. And this is what we want to predict, like the chances of cancer is low or medium or high. Okay, so this is actually we want to predict. So what is our target here? Our target is to predict the level of cancer. What is the chances of cancer here? Chances of cancer of the patient. Okay, so this is a target. And what are the features? Features included air pollution, alcohol use, age, and gender. These all are the features. So yeah, so what is the second step? uh, Read the data. Okay, read the data set. Okay, and third step is visualize the data. You have to once it is not a necessary step, but you have to visualize the data once. So that you can know what is the structure of your data. So if you want to see the structure or see the information of our data, so you can just write df.info. These all functions are already present in the pandas library. So you can here see there are 25 columns, and the last column is level. And the 1000 rows are there. Okay, so from the 0th index to 999 999. Okay, and the 26 columns are there. So here you can know about and if you want to uh, describe your data, then you write describe function, then you use describe function. Okay, so yeah, now you get the count of index values, the mean, std, and minimum value 25%, 50%, 75%, and the maximum value. These all are the functions. And now our today's target is how to define a target and features. So here we mention, let's define target and features. Okay, here yeah, target means y. We generally use in the place of target y, and we generally use in the place of features is x. Like in the linear regression, you write na y is equal to w1 and x1 plus w2 x2. So yeah, so here y is the feature, and w1 is a weight, which we discussed later, and x1 is a feature. Sorry, y is the target, and x1 is the first feature, x2 is the second feature, and up to n. Okay, yeah, yn and xn. Okay, so let's define uh, what is a target and what is a feature. So for first you have to use the function here df dot columns. So it gives the column name of columns of the dataset which you have. These are the name of columns. So here what is our target? Target is only level. Okay, so either you give the name y or you give the target, and just write df and you give the name level. Okay, yeah, just copy it and paste it. You can type manually, but for avoiding this spelling mistake, we just copy and paste this. Just copy and paste here. Yeah, so it is defined as a target. So level is a target. It is a 1D it is a 1D array. It means it is a series. And for defining the features, we just write x is equal to df, and make sure that you have to write here two square brackets, because the array of features is a 2D array. Okay, so just copy and paste all the column names except the target. Okay, and then these all are not the features, because you only include those which are important for predicting that target, for for making that target, for finding that target, which are important attributes. You can only include those. Like index here is not important, I think, so I am just excluding that index. And all the and all here mentioned are just important, like age is important, gender is important, air pollution is important, alcohol is use is important. So I am just including all these features in our features. Okay, so for making I just write here target. Okay, target. And here I'm just writing features. Okay, yeah. So in the next video, we are going to learn how to split our data set into train data and test data. Okay. So till then, take care. Bye bye. And